Belle here, and we're in a completely different room. Everything has changed, and it's a lot of things to explain. But for now, we're gonna start with me building a PC, which is gonna be something completely out of my scope of understanding. I know nothing, so that's what I have Rancid for. Now come here. You come here.
What?
Come here. You're coming. You gotta be on camera for this one. Say hi, meow. You wanna summon that? Yeah, come here. Say hi, meow. You gotta say hi to the. You didn't even say hi. Okay, fine. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and start building this PC. We have all the things. Check it out. So, Rancid, do you wanna explain all the things? Because I don't know what any of this is.
You gotta read it, yeah.
I gotta read it. So we got a KbyEEEEE Series Air 240 small form factor PC case from Corsair in white. We got EVGA Supernova 650G gold power supply 650 watt. Is it 6 or 8?
650.
Okay. What is that thing? Core i7 unlocked 8007K.
8700.
8700K Intel processor. How do you say this? Samsung 970 Evo. Oh my god. Every time. Samsung 970 Evo. What is that?
NVMe
M.2.
500 gigabytes.
500 gigabyte. Ooh.
That's a beast right there.
It's a beast right there. A GeForce RTX 2070 ray tracing, all the things. Yes. This is our graphics card. What is it? XC Ultra. Orale. Yes. And it's gigantic and it's huge.
This is just a power thing for it.
Power thing for it.
Extra storage.
Extra storage, 240 gigabytes. Lighting,
Some
awesomeness, some awesome RAM that we are so excited to have.
Trident
Z RGB, G skills, yes. We got our Corsair cooler. We got all the things, kids. We got all the things, okay? Like, if you want it, we got it. It's there, okay? So we're gonna do all the things. This is gonna be something else, and it's gonna be pretty funny to watch, so let's get started. Oh, Salem, 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 Salem. Salem! 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 Say hi. Oh, he's so cute. Look at his little face. Oi. Oi. He's a baby. So, we're gonna go ahead and open this guy. Oh my god, I'm right under the fan. It's freezing. Good lord. Thank god it was already open for me, because otherwise it would have taken me forever. Ding, ding, ding. Alright.
Slide off the wrapper.
Slide off the wrapper. Okay, smart. See, there you go. Slide off the wrapper. Is that like a new wrapper? Little slide off. Ooh, nice.
Show the front.
There we go. Okay, this is the front. That's right. Ooh, we got the mesh. We got the clear plexiglass on the outside right here. All the things. We got our little Intel i7 core little dude right there, because Rancid was so awesome and gave me his. How do you open this thing?
Are we recording?
It's still recording, yeah.
Okay, cool. Well,
we gotta open it. Okay, so unscrew
bolts.
the little dudes. Yeah. Gotta remember which way is left and which way is right. So they're little dingly dangly ones. Okay, so there's that. Put him off to the side, and then how many of these things do I need to take off? Where'd these fans come from?
They came with it already.
Okay, cool. I didn't even know that was a thing. Where's my? I don't even know where my tea is.
We forgot something.
What did we forget? Oh, that's right. We forgot the motherboard. Of all things to forget. That's funny. Oh yeah, so we got this ROG Strix ZE90.
390.
Oh, Z390? Z390 iGaming PC motherboard with all the things.
Mini ITX.
Mini ITX from Asus. Ooh, bitch. Ooh, and it's got Aura Sync. You want to be any more extra than that? I don't think that you can. And the small
form factor.
Small form factor. It's like me. Small and awesome.
Do the top ones too.
Alright, the top ones too. I still can't remember which way's left and which way's right. These I need a screwdriver. That little dude.
Oh, those aren't.
Got it.
Apparently.
Well, good to know. Oh, jeez. Bunch of jerks. Son of a...
Now
I know why you drop things so much. That's awesome.
Close from the handle.
I didn't even realize that was a handle. Okay. Ah! There we go. They look so cool from the inside. Oh my god, here's another fan that already came with it. Que bonito. Wow. What's that? Oh! Wow. That's nuts.
Might as well take off the back.
Take off the back. Okay. These are tight too. Try not to strip the threads, everybody. They're not stripping. Aren't you scared it's gonna get dented if I like drop it too hard? Oh my god, that's such a nice place to put it. Drop it.
We're gonna put the power supply in first.
Okay, so we're gonna put the power supply in first.
Where's that knife? I gave you the knife or the laser option.
Ooh, I want the knife. You know I want the knife. Okay, be careful. I'm gonna open this. Trying to always cut away from myself and not towards myself. Guys, always remember. Pink. Woo! Okay. Come off the top. Ooh! Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna try to throw it in the bag, but I don't know if it's gonna make it because it's plastic. Oh wait, no, my trash can's right there. It's there. Of course I missed. Ooh, I think so.
So it's heavy.
It is heavy. Oh jeez, it's heavy, isn't it? That's how you know it's expensive. Clock the reference.
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park. That's why he's my best friend, everybody. All the PCs that you ever made, I've never actually built one with you. Ooh. Nobody saw that. So this is the instruction manual.
Throw that.
We don't need that guy. Okay, here we go.
Take that.
What?
You're unboxing.
Ah!
I'm not doing
shit, said Rancid.
this.
It's your channel. Use it when you need it. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh! Dang, son. Can I take the sticker off?
Yeah.
Get out of here, get out of here.
So you're going to fit it in here to
Okay.
where the power is facing out.
So then,
Don't think it'll let
obviously, is it gonna fit in here? Oh yeah, it fits. Well, Rancid just saying, fan should be facing out if your grate is this way. Great.
Now, this is to test your power supply, but I don't use that.
What do you use if you don't use this?
I don't test it.
You're cute.
I don't build 500 computers a day, so I don't need to do that.
Oh, I see. Well, that's true. Okay, so then,
The little screws are right there. You're going to screw it to the wall.
little baby screws. Gotta be real careful with them. This is a Phillips
Seymour Hoffman.
Seymour Hoffman head screwdriver. That's hilarious. I don't think I threaded that right. This is gonna take forever, everybody. It's gonna be a 3-hour video.
It actually might.
It probably will be. That's really tight. I don't think that's right. Is it supposed to be that tight? It feels really tight. That's what she said. Yeah, it's good.
Don't tighten it all the way.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay, get them all in there first, and then we're gonna screw them all nice and tight. Screw it.
Let me show you a trick.
Show me a trick!
You get the screw,
Okay.
and you put it down this,
Okay.
and you go like that.
Oh, I see.
That's how you do that.
Okay, see, that's why you're here, because otherwise I'd be more screwed than these screws right now. Ah, that totally works. Rancid's a genius, everybody. That totally works way better. That's nuts.
Power supply's in.
Power supply is in.
Power cable we'll use
Ooh.
later.
What am I opening next? It's like
Go ahead.
Christmas.
Go ahead.
Ow! Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put in the hard drives and open this guy.
One of the hard drives.
Okay, here's
You're
one
gonna
hard
put it in
drive. This
there.
thing is huge and heavy.
It's toolless, it is.
Yeah.
So see how those little plugs work? They gotta fit into those 4 holes.
I see. Carefully, do not drop this.
Should be nice and snug, no vibrations.
No vibrations.
Cool. Plug it
Okay,
in.
so plug it in. Oh, right in there. It's a little drawer.
Try out the next one.
Take out the second little guy. How cute, because they're like little trays. It's so easy. Whoever told people that building PCs was difficult is a jerk. It's a highly complicated process. Bitch, you plug and play. Okay? Quit it. We only got 2 hard drives, so we're done for this little bit. Once I can get this guy in here, because I'm dumb and I can't figure out where the hole is. Maybe if I look at it right in the face. There we go. Now it's in. Okay, so our hard drives are in. We put the little guy back on.
Should have 2 little hooks.
Like these.
Yeah.
Awesome. Do they recycle these screws? This is our PNY 240GB solid state drive. This one we already had. This one is gonna be our games. Yes, our games drive. Pull him out of there. Pink.
It's gonna be a very similar little guy.
Oh my god, there's another one? Holy crap. That's so cute. It's another little drawer. We just pull that guy out, stick the little holes in the pegs. Pegs in the holes. There you go. What you doing, Peg? There we go. Pink. Awesome. Can you give me my tea real quick?
Sure. Tea break.
Grazie.
Hey, check out what's in that box.
What's in the box? I'm just gonna quote Brad Pitt the whole time.
I believe it.
Gorlami. What are we doing next, honey?
Probably the mother.
Salem, get out of here, Salem. No. No, Salem, stop it. No, Salem, stop it. No.
I had to put on my handy dandy
Oh my god, nice.
headline.
Of course. So, babies, go over there. I love you. So, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this little dude, see how he looks and all the things. There's one. The choice of champions. I chingao. So we move it and we do these. Ooh, it's so cute and little. Ooh. There's all these little connector thingy bobbers. Little tiny baby screws. They're so little and cute. They got little washers and everything. That's cute.
Stickers should be in there.
Stickers? Oh, I get stickers. Ooh, and then here are our stickers. We get a nice little sticker sheet, which is half the reason why you buy them in the first place. If it doesn't come with a sticker sheet, don't get it. Thank you for your purchase. Learn more about our passion for gaming. Little nice
certificate.
Nice little certificate card thingamabobber. Isn't that nice?
I didn't get one of those.
Well, you see, because my PC is nicer than yours. Now it is. You went all out for my stuffs. Of course you did. Best boyfriend ever. I'm really scared right now.
Don't grab it.
Okay?
That's it. He's a little guy.
Okay. It's so scary because there's so much about these things I don't know. Oh, wow. Is that where the little guy goes? Ah, that's where the little Intel duty goes. Sweet. So I'm going to unbox the RAM. It was already unboxed. because someone wanted them in his computer for a little while. He wanted them in his PC to see what it looked like with 4 pieces of RAM. Yeah, piece of RAM. Slide it. Oh, slide it in there. Easy peasy. Am I doing this right? Yeah, I am. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, and it clicks itself into place. That's a cute. That's so cute. There you go. Oh, sweet. We got a little sticker. Go beyond limits. G skill. Ooh, this has a little sticky. Ooh. Ah, sweet. Yep. Screw tray. Yeah, screw tray. Who's Trey? How do I get this thing out of here? How deep do these things go? What color are we? Isn't this thing supposed to be magnetic? There's a hole on this tray. Oh, that guy's magnetic. I'm gonna need the knife. Oh, okay. Sorry, Mr. Cat. Okay. Oh my god. Now it's open. He's so little. He's so little. I didn't know they were that small. Look how little it is. It's so cute.
Slice that up with your scissors.
Mm-hmm.
The little tool
On the side. Really, what a tool.
you're gonna put that little guy in there.
Okay.
And drop him down. Just don't touch any metal parts.
Just don't touch any metal parts.
That's the metal part that you're touching with your hand right there. Okay.
Damn it. Thanks, Dad, for teaching me how to use a screwdriver when I was a little kid. Appreciate that. Hi, Dad. That's that. And then we'll take off that little guy. Straight down. That guy goes right there. Oh, shit. Okay, I think that's that. Processor on next. Oh, my God. I do. This one's open, too, because Rancid had his way with it. Always has his way with everything.
It's gonna be a Rancid Cam video.
Our little dude. He's all cute.
Very careful.
Oh, and that goes over there.
So you're gonna very carefully. So you see in here?
Mm-hmm.
This needs to come up. So what you're gonna do is push that and it comes out and under. Like that. And then lift up the whole thing. There you go. No, leave that back on.
Okay.
But you're gonna move this up all the way. Swing it over.
Okay.
Okay, do not touch anything in there.
Man, your cameras are pretty.
I know, right? So you're gonna grab it from the 2 sides right there.
From these 2 sides?
Yes.
These 2 sides?
Yes.
Okay.
So that's gonna go exactly like that. Down. Line it up. Let go. That's it. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Fits mine, right?
Yep.
2 notches matched up.
Everything looks like it's pretty matched up.
So you're gonna do backwards.
Okay. So then I
Lower that.
put this down.
It's gonna be really scary, but you're gonna have to push this all the way down, around and underneath that thing.
Okay. And it feels real scary, right?
That
It
top
feels
will
real
pop off.
scary.
Yes.
And the top will pop off?
Yes.
Okay, there it goes. And underneath.
You got
And
it?
there it is. Nice.
Okay.
Just take this little dude off. Oh, bitch.
That was a tough one.
Yes. Okay.
Get some alcohol.
Get some alcohol. Because you should always have some alcohol while you're building a PC. Just kidding. There's fish over there. They're cute.
Basically use a little bit of alcohol and just swab all that. See how dirty it is?
Yeah.
It's gotta be very, very clean.
It's so dirty. Like my soul. A little alcohol, swabby swab right there. Give it a little cleany clean. It looks really clean now. Good tidbit, always keep this little dude because if you lose this little dude, the people will not accept it back if there's something wrong with your motherboard. So make sure you keep your little processor clippy thingamabobber. Keep it safe.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up. Where? With what?
No, I'm just wrap it.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's part of the cooler.
The cooler. He's spitting the cooler.
Correct.
Ah, sticky.
It is sticky because it can stick to this.
Okay, there's a little hair on it. Looks about right. Screw it in with what? Oh, okay.
Hand tight.
Hand tighten. Hand tighten. Quite a workout for your fingers. Yes. Okay.
So it's very scary, and I never knew this, but
They should be loose.
it should be loose when
Okay.
it's done correctly.
They should be loose when it's on correctly, so that's a good thing to know because otherwise I would have thought something was wrong.
I had to do a lot of Googling.
I had to do a lot of Googling.
I mean, Rancid Cam.
Ooh, Rancid Cam. You need to do it. Turn it. Yeah, stop it and turn it. You need to fix your sexual orientation before we can just kitty. Here we go. Pink noise. Okay, so our motherboard is ready to be installed in the computer now, so we're gonna go ahead and do that and hope I don't destroy it by touching it somehow. Everything I touch gets destroyed.
Here, you can actually grab it like this.
Okay.
Underneath, just try to touch only this
that
metal
little guy.
part.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna put it in here. Stick it.
Okay, sticking out. Stick that right here. Ooh. Alright. Looks about right.
That's it.
Nice. Okay, cool. Now we screw it. Find the hole. Find the hole. Put it in there and screw it. That's my job right now. Somebody needs to invent a little tool that does this faster. Well, that screw was too small for the hole. That's what she said. What a strange design. Very strange. Indeed. It's funny, I just gulped. Like super dramatic gulp. My barbaric yop. Doing this with your left hand is not easy, honey. I don't think this fits in here. Ow! My butt. Tiger stance this one. Nice. I gotta sneeze. Ugh. It's hard to do with your left hand.
Why are you doing that?
Because I'm on this side. We can do the tango just for two. Ding, 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 ding. Like some good old fashioned. We love the boy. Ding, 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 ding. How do you know when they're in? Do they click?
No.
Oh, it's okay. I like it when things click because I know it's in there properly. You know, give me some kind of signifier that I'm doing this properly.
That should hopefully be enough.
Okay.
Fan connections.
Fan connections. Meet your favorite YouTubers with fan connections. I'm such a big fan.
Let's pop in the big guy.
Pop in the big guy. Big time, big time. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. So it opens like an egg. That's pretty crazy. Pretty nice. I like it. How much? Oh, Jesus. Okay, holy mackerel. Okay, what does this say? Caution. Electrostatic sensitive devices do not open or handle except at a static-free workstation. Do they know that I'm a static bomb? Like, they must not know that.
We're going to pretend this is static free.
Well, let me put my hair up because my hair is a static, like, what do you call it? A static thingy that it attracts static. What is it? Yes, that's what it is. My static magnet hair. Tiny bun. Okay, touch metal. Touch metal. Oh. Alright. And then. Alright. Oh my god.
That dude is gigantic.
This thing is nuts. Oh god. It's so shiny. Holy mackerel. Look at that thing. Jesus.
Whoa, that's thick. Okay, so this is 3
slots. Really crazy.
It should fit.
Alright. Sweet. Up and out. Ow! Jeez.
Oh.
Right into the motherboard. Takes up 3 slots. That's nuts. We're gonna
try to install that baby.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna unwrap this. Ooh. I should have gone one bit. Oh, it's because it's over here too. Ah, okay. Ooh. The front of it too? Yeah. It's almost like, there you go. Come on up, buddy. It's time to shine, honey. Okay, we'll take off the rubber. Do not touch what's underneath. Oh, there's that little guy up there too. Didn't see that guy. Oh, that's shiny. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome.
Just straight down. It's going to snap into place. Okay. Snap. Nice.
This is so cool! Oh my god. Woo, there's so many things. He's so big. Make sure you take all these little dudes off, guys. Don't forget. Pretty cool. Okay. Okay. So then, next step is... Oh, the cooler. Okay, the cooler.
Wipe the processor and that guy once more.
Wipe the processor and this guy. Those are my directions. This is why I tell you guys you need to learn to follow directions. Otherwise, how are you going to do something like this? Learn to follow directions.
That is our thermal paste.
Thermal paste. Okay. Oh, it's so cute and tiny. I didn't know they made them that small. Just kidding. I'm not ready for this.
You're going to put a pea-sized amount.
Pea-size. So about the size of that little guy.
Pretty much.
Okay.
You're going to put that right in the center of the processor.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. And then let go and pull up. Should be good. It's okay. That's fine. Perfect. That's it. That's all you need.
Okay. That is not a pea-size amount. Just so you know.
It's a little less than a pea?
That's a lot less than a pea.
Good. Okay. You're going to fit it into all 4 of those. Those little screws you got.
Okay.
Got it. Okay.
Yay. Okay, and then?
So now we read the motherboard.
Okay.
This is the boring part.
Mother. There's so much less troubleshooting to this because of you knowing all the things, having built how many computers in your life?
Yeah, like 5.
Liar.
Okay, so now we're going to have fun with these guys.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, look at those fucking zip. They say EVGA on them.
They totally do. Check it out. Yo, isn't that pretty? Yes.
We're gonna go ahead and plug in the important ones.
Porn ones?
The important ones.
The porn ones.
Okay, this is the motherboard.
Okay.
Go ahead and zip that.
Man, that's really big.
Sure.
Okay.
Untie that.
Okay.
One of these.
That's it. Okay. Jeez. I sound like Courage the Cowardly Dog.
Okay.
So, whoa! Balls. Okay.
What time is this?
I don't know.
Let's plug in the front first.
Okay.
Let's check it out on this side.
Okay. Let's turn him around. It would have been cute to have this on a Lazy Susan.
That's lazy. Susan. Okay, so you're gonna
Oh, I see.
bend it.
Flarp it, and
Bend it this way.
you have to bend them pretty crazy because they're so straight right now. Get bent. And plug it in. Plug it in. Oh my god! It even says MB for motherboard. Smart. Okay. Jeez.
Hey, why don't you stand where I'm standing?
Probably a good idea. There we go. Got it.
There's
there it
the
is.
clip.
There's the click. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
So that's your motherboard. So now
Awesome.
let's put that into the
Okay.
motherboard. Okay, cool. So now we need the CPU one.
Okay.
So we're getting all the main
It's
ones.
real cute because they have little things on them. I didn't know that they had names.
CPU.
Oh my god. Easy peasy. This is fun. This is fun. I like this. You know what's gonna be like gross about it?
Oh.
Is it's gonna be like a black rainbow inside of a white case.
So here's at least. You lick my elbow.
No.
I felt it.
No, you didn't.
I think I did.
You can't feel that.
Well, I did.
You can't feel that. It's impossible.
No.
And it didn't happen.
It would be impossible. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that beautiful, beautiful footage. Alright, we're gonna go with that. Lucky, lucky, pretty goody. Happy, happy, everybody's good and nice.
So we built a really badass PC right now. Rancid built it mostly, and I helped.
You did all of it. I should show you what to do.
Well, I mean, okay. So he says I did all of it. I say he did most of it. But, you know, we just worked together and did the thing. So now we're about to have the whole moment of truth situation. We're about to start it and see what we need to do. So everything is all plugged in. Everybody's ready to go. And it should work. I'm like 99.9% sure it'll be a perfect first time. So, moment of truth. Rancid, take it away. Me?
Yeah,
Press it? What
yours.
the? Okay, I'm pressing it. Nothing happened.
Try it again. There you go.
Oh my god! What the F? Whoa, that's a lot. That.
So we're gonna be all over the inside.
Oh my god. They're the most beautiful colors in the world. Oh my god. Okay, cool.
Fans are working.
Fans are working?
Right.
Careful!
All fans are
You're not supposed to put your hand under there. Oh my god, it's so cold.
Here we go.
Alright, let's do it.
Ooh! UCP install, press F1 setup.
Sweet. Oh my god, it's working.
We're in.
Guys, it's working! Oh my god. Sunday.
16
Sunday,
days.
Sunday. Wait a minute, it's
It's a
Saturday.
nice, chilly 24-degree CPU right now.
Nice. So I did it. Did I build a PC?
You built that PC.
Oh my god, I built a PC. It's so sad that we don't have the footage from when we built it, but okay. Coach built a PC. Wow. So Francis is gonna keep on working on getting this thing all fixed up for us. So it's got this power supply, this RAM, 500 gigabyte Samsung SSD. Huh?
Fast as shit.
Fast as shit, says Rancid. Core i7, was it i7 Intel Core? ¿Cómo le dice ese pinche chingadera? Intel Core i7 processor unlocked.
8700K.
Unlocked. 8700K. Yes, that's in there. EVGA power link so that we can make it look way better. That little guy. Literally just to make it look better. Sleeker. All the things. ROG Strix Z390i gaming motherboard. Little cute little dude. He's so cute. Look how cute he is. He's so cute. Beep, beep. Just want to squish him. And then we got this guy, and he's a cute little pickle. He's huge AF. There he is. He's right there. He's super cute. And his little thingy lights up too.
Yep.
He lights up too. Oh my god, that's so cute. So yeah, pretty much Rancid picked out and did all the things. We got it. It's here. It's got its own Wi-Fi. It's got its own everything. It's perfect. It's amazing. And it's everything. Yes, this computer is everything. We're going to stream from it, watch movies from it, enjoy the shit out of it. We're going to just do literally everything that we can. Should last quite a while, having to update it minimally at best. So yeah, this is our new little guy. This is my first little guy, so I shall welcome myself to the PC Master Race. Yes, because now I am part of it. Yo. Anyway, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Rancid's gonna take it away and like try to do all the things, put in the activation for Windows, put in the activation for all of the things because we got a lot of shit to do. Okay, guys, so thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot to everything that went into this. Thank you, Rancid, for being the best boyfriend in the world. Literally, best boyfriend in the world. Could not ask for more. Period. I'm so happy right now. I can't even speak. Anyways, guys, if you would like to, if you have not already, please subscribe, hit that little button, do the notification button, whatever you think, whatever you want. Become a member of the Little Misfit Monster fam, and let's just hang out, dude. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. I love you so much. Have a great one wherever you are. God bless you always, and I will see you later. Okay, bye! Roll that beautiful bean footage.